Welcome to Study Loop.
The manager of a local hotel knows that on holiday weekends, if they charge $116 per room, they will book 100 of the rooms in the hotel. For every $42 increase in price, they will book 6 fewer rooms. In the following parts, we will write an equation that represents the number of rooms rented as a function of price charged per room. Okay, so it says identify the input and the output of the function in the variables you will use to represent them. Okay, so let's take a look here. X, Y, and so we have cost or we have the number of rooms and the cost. Okay, so cost and the number of rooms. Okay, so if it's $116 per room, okay, and they book 100 rooms, okay, and 100, so then that is going to be a total of $11,600, okay? For every $42 increase in price, they will book, so it goes from 116 to, they will book 6 fewer rooms, okay? So 116 plus 42, and that is going to be $158 per room. So they'll book 6 fewer rooms, so at 94 rooms, so 94 times 158, and that's 14,852. If I add another $42 onto that, then I'm going to be at $200 per room, okay? So that one is going to be multiplied by 94, and then this one is going to be multiplied by 88. So 88 rooms. So 88 times 200 is 17,600. Okay. And then just to do this one more time, if I add another $42, 242 times 82, because then there's 82 rooms, and 242 times 82, 242 times 82. So, I did the opposite. Number of rooms, total cost. And so then that is 19,844. So let's see what the increase is. So 14,852 minus 11,600. That's 35252. Nope, I wrote that wrong. 3532. 3252, and then 17,600 minus 4 minus 14,852, and that's 2748, and then 17,600, 19,844 minus 17,600, and that's going 2244. And then let me see if 3252 minus 2748, 504, and then 2244 minus 2748, minus 504. Okay, so X is going to be number of rooms and Y is going to be total cost. Okay, so it says using the input-output table, part A, create a table that includes at least 5 different room charges that correspond to the number of rooms that are rented. So I did that, except I just got to do one more. So plus 42, and that's 284 times, and 82 minus 6, so that's 76 times 76. 76 times 284 is 21,584. And so then 21,584 minus 19,844, and that's 1,740. So 2244 minus 1,740, and so that's 504. Okay, so I did the input, identify the input output of the function and the variables you will use to represent them. Using the input output from part A, create a table. So I did that and I did that. Based on your table you created, what type of function does the table represent? How do you know? Okay, so when graphing this, and then, so you should be able to figure out what type of function this is now. So I'm going to let you do part C and part D to make the equation, because I gave what you're going down by each time. And so you should be able to do C and D on your own now that I got you started. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.